Hey everybody, welcome to Run the Prompts, episode number 2. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please do me a huge favor and subscribe, like, and comment on this video. We've been running the prompts since March 2023, but this is the second video that we have released, and we plan to post new content every week. So be sure to check us out, and let's get started. What are we going to do today? Today, we're going to do something very creative. We're going to be doing a strategy in Midjourney that I just discovered thanks to Future Tech Pilot. Be sure to check out his channel. He knows what's going on when it comes to Midjourney, where we take a very specific color and we use that as our style reference. We use it as our style reference, and then we can create whatever we want with that color. Now, it's a lot more interesting than that sounds, because let's say you want to create some branding material. Let's say you're a marketer like me. Well, that's what we're going to do. We put our own spin on it, and we're going to get started. And once you guys get this, and it's very simple to do, you're never going back. When you want something in a specific color, when you want to create some cool branding stuff, you're going to be using this. So let's get started. All right, guys, welcome back. We are here in Midjourney on the Midjourney Alpha website. And as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. If you haven't already, check out the video I made on the new Midjourney Alpha website. I'll also link that in the description below for you guys to check out if you haven't seen it. Anyways, we are here and we're gonna create an image with the color that you wanna use in your image. So how are we gonna do that? First, if you just have a general idea of what color you wanna use, it's easy. Just go to Google over here, go to Google Images, and describe the color you want. In this case, let's say we want to use neon green, and we want to choose one of the different options that we have below here as our color. In this case, we want to use this color right here. So we want to use this color, very simple. Right click, go to copy image, come over here. And I already did it down here, but we're going to do it again. We're going to Control V to paste it into the prompt bar. And here's where the secret comes in. This is very important, so please pay attention. There are 3 little icons here on your image. You're going to click on this icon, okay? So that's for character reference. In Discord, that's the CREF parameter. But in this case, we don't have to use it. We can just copy it in and click on this. So very cool and very easy to do here in the new Midjourney Alpha website. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a green Corvette. I'm keeping the prompt very simple for the sake of this tutorial, just to give you guys some examples. And you can already see what it did down here. A green Corvette is right here. A pretty nice one-to-one match right around this area of the green to the green that we wanted, and it did what we asked it to do. And now we can get some more examples right here once this is done loading. All right, guys, and this looks so cool. This is the green that we wanted to use, and as you can see, it is pretty damn close to the green for our new Corvette that we just made in under 1 minute here in Midjourney. So very cool. Now, let's say you have a specific brand color. In my case, this is the green I use to run the prompts. This is the run the prompts green, okay? This is the hex code. Now, if you have that, all you have to do is go over to this website, no affiliation, w3schools.com. This URL, I'll put it in the description below as well for you guys to use. You go to that URL, you put in your hex code, you click OK, and then you can just do a simple screenshot of the color on the right. And now you have a nice color example, just like the last example, that you can now plug in. So you have it right here. You can simply drag it, and now you have it. So now you have it, and you want to select this again for character reference. So now we have the run the prompts green, and we're going to use the run the prompts green for a new character. So let's say a cartoon illustration of a man with a green shirt. Again, very simple, just for the sake of the example. So some of you guys might be thinking, well, this is a pretty similar color to this color. Why did you choose basically the same color? Okay, here's the thing, guys. You can choose whatever color you want. I wanted to select specific colors for the first example and then my color for the next example, so y'all can go fuck yourselves, okay? Just kidding. But now we have this dude right here. Oh, this one's good. He looks depressed. So, not quite the same color, but it gave him a green shirt, cartoon illustration. This one is a pretty damn close match. This one kind of looks like me. Maybe not actually, but pretty close match to our branding colors. Now remember, this is a hack, so it's not going to be 100% matched to your branding colors necessarily, but it's going to be really close. And it's going to be so close that you can use it for your branding material, and you know, it's going to work. Trust me, it's going to work, because I'm about to show you an example of it working. So we're going to go into Photoshop, and you can see the original guy I made right here with this prompt down here, okay? So I used this prompt, also available for you guys in the description below, because I'm such a nice guy giving you some free prompts to use. This is an Adobe Illustrator illustration. For anyone who's not familiar with Adobe Illustrator, this looks like it came straight from Adobe Illustrator. It is a cel-shaded graphic, and it's the type of thing that you would get from the tool. So I described exactly what I wanted. I gave him my brand color, almost a perfect match right here in this shadow area. And I can use this as my base now in Photoshop. So let me show you. Here's the original, as you just saw. And here is the cleaned up, run the prompts guide version of it. So I made some different edits in Photoshop. You can too. You can just clean up what Midjourney gives you. Remember, just because Midjourney gives it to you doesn't mean it's the final image. You can go into Canva, you can go into Photoshop, you can go into Adobe Illustrator, you can go into all three of them if you'd like, and you can clean it up and you can make it exactly what you want. So in my case, I used black as the background because that's my other brand color. I changed his sunglasses to be kind of like a red reflection in the sunglasses because I thought that looked kind of cool, it complemented the green. And then I added my logo as well as some shadowing to match the shadows on his shirt. And then I gave him a little bit of a different expression so he doesn't look so depressed, okay? Because when people are running the prompts, as you know, they're not depressed. So I didn't want that to come off in my Run the Prompts guide. So now we have the Run the Prompts guide. I showed you how to do it in the new version of Midjourney. Now we're gonna go and do a similar thing in Discord for all of you losers out there. So let's go. All right, guys, here we are in Discord for all you losers out there who do not have access to the Midjourney Alpha website yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that image of our color, and first we're going to upload it to Midjourney. Very simple, just drag and drop it, press enter, and now we have it. Okay, ignore this one up here. That was me just running through it. And we can right click on this, go to copy link to copy the link. Okay, so you copied it. Now do imagine. Now let's do a really quick, easy example of a green banana. Then we're gonna do -- CREF, and we're going to paste a link to the image we just created for that green color. Press enter. And there you go, guys. Just like that, you have a Run the Prompts green banana, which is something that I'm sure all of you have wanted at least some point in your life. So we're gonna do another example after I fix my stupid dock in Mac OS. So I'm gonna show you guys one more trick here before we leave. So we're gonna go to Imagine again. We're gonna go to a green banana. We're gonna do our same character reference, --CREF, then paste in the link. And then we're gonna do a character weight, okay? A character weight tells Midjourney how strongly it should reference that character with the image. So the default is 100. So in this example, we're just gonna tone it down to 80 and see how that looks. So this is another trick, and I suggest that you guys experiment with it and see what happens. Sometimes reducing the character weight actually helps. So we're gonna run this as an experiment and see how it goes. All right, guys, we have our new images here with this character weight of 80 instead of the default of 100. And as you can see, this is the result. So if you guys found this video helpful at all, even 5% helpful in your journey to master Midjourney, please just drop a like below, subscribe, or comment on this video about how much you hated it, and be sure to share this video with 800 of your closest friends. Give the link out in your local ghetto, send it to everybody in your company, do whatever you gotta do to get the word out. We are gonna grow this channel. We already have 60 posts at runtheprompts.com. Be sure to go to Run the Prompts. It is the best website you'll ever use for AI information, prompts. We have custom GPTs. We have it all. We post every week at runtheprompts.com. So be sure to check us out. I love you. You guys are great. Thank you.